Good morning. Hi. We are testing this inverter and we are trying to explain you what problem we have here. The inverter is on UPS mode, battery charging mode. It's charging that little battery bank. The inverter is connected in the edge connector to the grid through this extension multi-plug. We have power and is connected to the grid right there. The problem here is the inverter always is having voltage right here. You can see the multimeter. It's supposed to be without voltage because we have power in the grid. When you turn off the grid, the multimeter is always having voltage right there. It's in UPS. Now the inverter is on and keep charging the battery. Now we don't have grid power connected, but when we connect, it's supposed to turn off the output will keep having voltage, and that problems make the breakers turn off on the AC panel. I hope you understand. It's the same thing when you put this right here in ATS mode. Okay, the other issue that we have, that in Puerto Rico, United States, we use this inverter as a split phase, but here only have 251 and doesn't have neutral. As you see, doesn't have neutral. We are using this as neutral to change it like a split phase inverter. You see? Sorry about for my English is not very good. I hope that you understand what we have in here. I need to know what neutral, because this one isn't working. If I use this one as neutral, zero voltage. But that gives me 251 volts. I cannot use this, the neutral. That's gonna be fire in the house if I use it like that.